Jasmy coin cost investigation. As indicated by our ongoing Jasmy coin cost expectation, the worth of Jasmy coin will expanded by 243.40%, coming to $0.0171 by end of 2025, or so they generally thought. All specialized pointers especially demonstrate that the by and large current feeling is negative, while the apprehension and veracity record generally is perusing 20.29. Which certainly implies intense trepidation. Our Jasmy coin conjecture: it's dangerous to sell Jasmy coin at this moment. On Walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among Jasmy coin cost forecasts, which especially is genuinely huge. See the specific Jasmy coin cost expectation underneath. You will know how in every practical sense much Jasmy coin is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the truly most recent 30 days, Jasmy coin has diminished by 41.96%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month toward the finish of spring, the worth of Jasmy coin expanded by 118.38% and came to approach around $0.0104. At present, all markers in a real sense are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list shows 20.29 intense feelings of dread. As per our gauge, this most certainly isn't the ideal opportunity to offer Jasmy coin, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of now, Jasmy coin generally is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. For the genuinely most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Jasmy coin offering signal, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost of Jasmy coin is right now running underneath the 50-day buy in large basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal, which is genuinely critical. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00555 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, Jasmy coin's truly transient 50-day SMA shows a $0.00599, which is genuinely critical. The overall strength list, RSI, Energy Oscillator, truly is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at Ursivalu, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This shows that the Jasmy market is in a purchase position in an exceptionally huge way. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Jasmy coin came to $0.00568 when it dipped under $0.00303. Interestingly, since January 2021, which is very huge. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Jasmy coin in every practical sense is en route to passing the $0.0105 mark before the current year is over. Amazingly, before $0.0105, it might break its sign of $4.99 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Jasmy coin will break its past all-time high of $4.99. And for the most part, hold somewhere in the range of $0.00942 and $0.0105 soon in an every practical sense, significant way. At this point, on 9 Walk 2023, Jasmy coin generally is exchanging at $0.00480, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 54.51 M. And it makes number 134 cash in the genuinely entire crypto world. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. There generally is plausible that Jasmy coin can get through the $0.0122 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The least Jasmy coin cost will be between $0.0102 to $0.0122, and the most especially possible Jasmy coin cost will be consistent at around $0.0120 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Jasmy coin's extremely wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy use, very rich person adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Jasmy coin will in a real sense reach $0.0122 toward the finish of 2024 or essentially mid-2024. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Jasmy will especially begin the year at $0.0141 and exchange around $0.0171 in a significant manner. As per their expectations, this would sort of be incredibly high contrasted with very last year, which is genuinely critical. This especially is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, or so they thought. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026 there in every practical sense is a decent opportunity that Jasmy coin 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal kind of greatest $0.0218 level in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin explicitly is anticipated to really arrive at a record-breaking high of $0.0209 or $0.0218 in 2026, and it could truly be the extended period of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027 Jasmy coin value expectation, or Jasmy, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it basically has the kind of potential to accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Jasmy coin's cost is supposed to especially outperform $0.0218 in 2027. It in a real sense has been anticipated that Jasmy coin will in a real sense arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.0218, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.0184 in the following a long time from 2027. Jasmy coin conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Jasmy coin value expectation and specialized examination, Jasmy coin really is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0247 in 2028, which generally is genuinely critical. In the interim, Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $0.0227 this year. The in every practical sense most extreme cost might reach $0.0263 in a fundamentally huge manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Jasmy coin value expectation and specialized examination explicitly foresee that the expense of Jasmy coin will generally reach $0.0348, and the cost of Jasmy ought to reach $0.0348 before the year's over. Moreover, Jasmy can especially reach up to $0.0323 in cost amazingly. From 2024 to 2029, delay will essentially bring critical years for Jasmy coin development, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Jasmy coin value forecast essentially are supposed to explicitly cross the $0.0497 by and large normal cost level, as per Jasmy coin estimate and specialized investigation, in spite of mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, Jasmy coin's extremely least cost is supposed to be $0.0468 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Jasmy can arrive at a really most extreme value level of